Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are doing a resin project with these adorable Geode Coasters from Artist Till Death, and it is like plexiglass, I think, and it is covered with paper on both sides, sticky paper, and you peel it off. So I just started this one. They're a little harder to start than I would like, but I just took a pair of scissors and barely scraped. Just take it and you scrape it against the edge of the paper and just kind of rub across the paper, and it kind of makes it rough so you can pick it up. So that's my little trick. So anyway, Artist Till Death is an amazing YouTube channel that does resin. They are incredible, and they have a shop, artisttilldeath.com, where you can get all this stuff. And I have I have had these for almost over a month and I haven't used them. I have 2 sets, and I'm like, why am I waiting? Do y'all ever do that? Like hoard your art supplies? It's like, oh, I got it today, it's wonderful, I'm going to keep it. Like, why do I do that? It's so silly. Anyway, all right, so I'm just going to use some cups that I will reuse later, but I'm going to use these to prop up these, and I've already taken the paper off of these. So you pour your resin on here, and then after it's cured, then you just peel the paper off of this side and clean up as a breeze. It just pops the dots off of the resin that went over, and you're good to go. So I am actually going to do an ocean theme on these coasters. They're geode shaped coasters, so it's going to be like an ocean geode, if you will. So my colors today are just resin, which both of these, all of my supplies today I got from them. So let's see, midnight blue and turquoise luster. These are, it's a paste, and this is the cell passion based cell white from Color Passion. And I am using Stonecoat Countertops resin, which you can also get from there. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just going to, I want to do a swipe technique, so I'm going to use parchment paper to swipe it with after I get the colors down. So I'm just going to kind of, in a circular fashion, put the colors down and then swipe it and see what we get. So let's just go for it. This is the midnight blue. These colors are just stunning. They're gorgeous. It doesn't have to be really neat because we're going to swipe it anyway, so we're going to make a mess of it anyway. Kind of putting the dark in the middle. Kinda. I don't know if it'll end up that way at the end. Who knows? I made more of this color because I really like it. I mean, turquoise luster, it's in the name that it's going to be amazing. So I have extra clear, so if I need to make another of a color, I can do that if I need more. So I try to always leave a little bit of clear resin so that if I need more of a certain color or whatever, then I will have it. Plus the clear, you can use it on a different project if you have leftovers. You can make it any color you want then. All right, I think I'm I'm gonna put double white in the middle too, just for fun. All right. Okay, I am just gonna torch it real quick. Get the bubbles. Okay. That gets the bubbles real quick without blowing the resin around too much. I wasn't wanting it to blow. So, all right. Now I'm taking the parchment paper. Yeah, I'm swiping it both directions, just get some differences. Let's see. Check this one from here. There's no right or wrong. It's just you creating, so. Not sure if I cut enough of these pieces. I do have some cool cells developing right there though. You do want to make sure it's all covered though, definitely. I missed that end. Make sure that end is covered. Kind of like doing it like that. Uh-oh. Play around, see what you like. Oh, probably not to dribble on the other ones. Probably that's what you would like. Who knows? Okay. Gonna hit it with a torch again. All right, I'm going to take some color over this white right here. I think Erica said that when you pull the color over the white is when it makes cells, because this is a base, so I'm not sure. I could be wrong. All right, I'm gonna give it a few minutes to see what develops, and I'll be right back. Okay, it has been about 5 minutes, and I like them all. So I'm gonna leave them. Make sure everything's covered. Let's see. Okay, it's all covered. I'm going to leave these to dry, to cure, and then I will come back and we will take the backs off, and I'll show you how quick the cleanup is and how easy this is, and I will be back. All right, they are dried. They dried really, really well. I am loving it. All right, so I did take the scissor and like started a little part so that I could more easily peel these off. But see all this resin extra stuff? It just peels right off with the paper. And basically off in one. Woohoo! Got a little sharp part there. I will fix that. Oh, it's supposed to be there. That's how the board is. Okay, cool. Even better. Don't have to fix anything. These are fun. I really enjoy doing these. Alright, just get these off of here. Then I will bring you in for a close-up. Yeah, I have another set of these. I'm gonna have to do them in something not ocean themed, I think. So different color, maybe some purples. Ooh, purple and green might be nice. Yeah, you don't even have to heat up the edge with the heat gun or anything. That's what you usually have to do to clean up the back of a coaster or back of a resin piece. So that drip stayed on, and then you just pop it off. Woohoo! Alright, that is it. Let me bring you in for a close-up so you can really see these gorgeous babies. Right, let's go in for a close-up. Here's this one. It got lots of really big cells that made patterns. I thought that was really cool. I love the movement. It really does look ocean-like. Here's the third one. So much fun movement. I love the colors. I am just loving these. That resin was the paste and stuff were so wonderful to use. I love them. I love how easy they are to mix in, and the colors are so vibrant. All right. And I love how thin these are. Cleanup is easy. They're light. So much fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.